And but on this one, get to check the sides of your phone because the ink or maybe the pencil that you use or the lead of the pencil might have gotten into your phone, so you better clean it up if it ever did. So I'm just gonna follow the black line that I traced a while ago and just cut through it. What you have to do next is that you should try to fit the design on your phone case so that you will know if there are any excess paper or part of the design that has to be trimmed. So as you can see in this video, I'm trimming down a little because there's really some excess part. After trimming your design, you have to put your phone back in the case and trace the camera hole. And then you just have to remove your phone and remove the design and just cut the camera hole. And these are the cutouts that I got from the magazine. I think they're very different from each other because they have different designs, colors and stuff. So what I'm doing here is I'm doing a layout on my phone before I put the case on. It's actually not important to have multiple cutouts from one particular design. from what I did here, I only put two pieces. Another fun thing with this is that you can mix and match designs. As you can see, I'm gonna reuse this girl with the bands, and also you could like replace your designs every day if you want, or anytime you want, as long as you keep your cutouts with you. Having a lot of cutouts is really important, so you could like uh, have an endless way of doing your design, so you could like mix and match them any way you want. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of struggled putting the case because the cutouts keep on moving from their place, and even if they moved, I think they still ended up looking so cute. And shout out to my girl bestie Casey Maquinto for sending me a ring light during this quarantine. The ring light actually helped me a lot, so thank you for supporting me. And that's it for today's video. I hope you like this one, and please don't forget to click the subscribe and like button. Thank you for watching. Bye!